Okay, so today I'm going to take you through the process of canceling your flight and getting a voucher from Sri Lankan Air. So you're going to go to the Sri Lankan Airlines website, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, they have under their help desk, they have online refund request. And that's what you're going to go ahead and click on. So let's say you planned a trip to Sri Lanka for spring break, and because of the COVID virus, you are now not able to travel anywhere. This is what you'll need to do to get a voucher for the next time you go somewhere. So first you're going to go at the bottom and you're going to type in your last name, and then you're going to get your booking reference number from your tickets. Mine was LE2F39. You're going to retrieve that file, and it takes just a minute for it to get there. And then it's going to be like, hey, which one of your flights are you going to? And you're going to say, hey, all of them, because I couldn't go at all. You then proceed. And notice it says there's one for Catherine and one for Molly. That's because under my booking, I bought 2 tickets. So I proceed, and I'm just gonna say changes in, I'm gonna go with other, and I'm gonna say the current virus crisis makes it necessary for us to cancel our travel plans at this point. Great. Personal details, I have to wait to go to proceed to overview. This is the personal details. We weren't going to depart on the 26th. We were actually going to depart in April on the 4th of April, the 5th of April. I do understand by submitting this, I agree for a refund on my above booking, subject to my booking being eligible for a refund fee and all that for the passengers. Basically, instead of getting a refund of money, I'm getting a different airline ticket, because if I got a refund of money, they would take out the fees and taxes, because those are already going to have to be paid. So if you get a refund or get a ticket voucher, it will include the cost of all those taxes and fees. So you can actually have a better likelihood of getting a whole new ticket. So now it's in the system, and they're going to tell us in about 3 days. Go ahead and make sure you write down the number that you're given, because you may need to reference that if there's an error and you have to call them back or something. You want to have documentation that you actually did what you were supposed to do. And that is all there is to it. Thank you for watching.